In today's video, we're diving into the world of Facebook advertising and uncovering the secrets to creating powerful, lookalike audiences in 2024. So, let's jump right in. Lookalike audiences are a powerful tool offered by Facebook ads that allow you to reach new users who share similar characteristics with your existing customers. Now let's walk through the steps to create a lookalike audience on Facebook in 2024. Start by selecting a source audience that represents your ideal customer profile. The more specific and relevant your source audience, the better your lookalike audience will perform. Determine the size and location of your lookalike audience. Facebook allows you to adjust the audience size percentage, ranging from 1% to 10%. Additionally, you can specify the geographic location you want to target. Refine your lookalike audience further by adding additional filters. This ensures that your ads are shown to the most relevant audience, increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversions. By utilizing lookalike audiences in your Facebook ad campaigns, you can significantly improve your targeting precision and increase the ROI of your advertising efforts. So, start implementing these strategies today and watch as your ad campaigns reach new heights of success.